Manage your inventory, orders, and promotions from one dashboard. Ditch cluttered tools for an all-in-one platform tailored for online sellers. As an online seller, you need simplicity and efficiency. Use a solution that lets you easily launch and customize your store. Sellfy is ideal for selling physical products online. It offers an intuitive platform for creating and managing your online store. With Sellfy, you gain 1. Quick setup with customizable themes. 2. Optimized checkout boosting your sales. 3. Powerful marketing tools to expand your customer reach. Unlike Stand Store, Sellfy is fully customizable. Embed our cart on any platform without hefty fees. Ready to boost your sales. Start your Sellfy store today and enjoy a 14-day free trial, no credit card needed. Selling online can be profitable. Control pricing, inventory, and shipping without third-party fees. Join successful sellers leveraging Sellfy to grow. Customize stock limits for every product variant. Offer unique sizes and colors while preventing overselling. Shipping is easy with Sellfy. Set your rates and generate PayPal shipping labels seamlessly. Combine physical products with digital files for added customer value. Don't wait. Open your Sellfy store now to revolutionize your online selling.